Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, General Technology Knowledge. Today I would like to show and share about how to back up the project from HMI model XP-30TTA. Okay. So here is the project. In the previous video, we already learned about how to create the new project and then please start and stop to see the status of lamps from lamp 1 to lamp 4, yes, by using the HP Builder version 2. And right now I will use the HP Builder version 2 to upload or back up the project from the HMI to keep on our computer. Okay. And in the previous video, I already show how to check the IP address of this HMI, and we will got the result 192.168.0.2, and our computer is 192.168.0.253. Okay. So actually we can check again, yeah, to make sure that our HMI, what is the IP address, and we will put the computer manual IP address to be the same rank of the HMI. Okay. So let me show again about how to back up. So we will check the IP address of the HMI again, right? So let me show. So first, put here, yeah, freeze here, yes, and then click here. Sorry again, yes, and freeze here, and we will got the screen, yes, like this, and let's check by go to setting and go to Ethernet setting, and let's see the IP address is 192.168.0.2. okay, and right now I already connect the LAN cable, yes, to the port of HMI. So let's click cancel and then go to main menu and then start the screen, yes, okay, and then we will go like this. So we already know the IP address of the HMI, so we need to put the manual IP address of our computer, right? So let's go. So first check our computer IP address. Okay, it's still manual. So if everyone not yet manual the IP address, you can go to here and then go to property and then go to IP4 and then write 192.168.0.253, yes, and then click OK. And to back up the project from the HP series, let's go to HP Builder, open it, and just click close, and then go to button upload, yes, click upload, and here is the setting that we need to set to be which protocol that we would like to use for upload. So click setting, and here is the RS2 232C. If we would like to use the LS 232C, we can use this one, or we can use USB, yes, and we can use Ethernet, yes. So right now I use LAN cable, so I will choose Ethernet. So this is the IP address of the HMI, and this is a port, yes, communication port. So here is the setting, yeah, that we need to choose also. Example, connect like this. We cannot upload, right? So let me test. Okay, upload. Cannot communication, right? But we can ping 192.168.0.2. Okay, we can ping. It means that we can connect from our computer to the HMI, right? But we choose the incorrect port, yeah, incorrect the adapter. So we need to choose this one, IP address of adapter, yes. That we already put the manual for IP4, yes. So choose it, and then browse to save. Example, go to desktop and then go to new folder. Example, XP-30TTA backup. Yes. So we can please upload again. So wait a moment for communication and upload. Yes. Let's see right now. It already upload the project from HMI to keep on computer. So let's see here. It is the best screen, yes, that we already created in the previous video. So we can upload, yeah. So it's very easy to upload the project from the LS HMI model XP-30TTA, okay, by using the Ethernet cable or LAN cable, yes. So thank you very much for watching my video, and if everyone have any question, please kindly drop comment under my video. I will reply soon. And I would like to request all of you to like, share, and subscribe my video also to get more notification and more new videos that I will create step by step. And in the next video, I will show and share about how to upload or backup the project file of this HMI by using the RS232C for communication and backup from the HMI. Okay. So in this time, I would like to say thank you very much for everyone for watching my video, and we will see you next videos. Bye bye.